everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patreon partners, along with Bob Iagino. So, Bitcoin US dollar came up short from our next levels down, rotating back up. This actually formed, and it disappeared from my chart, a double bottom pattern with two targets, but it's against the rotation zone. So 93.85 and 94.42, it's having trouble getting through the rotation zone right now. It did break out of this falling wedge pattern. So there's this nice falling wedge pattern coming up short of the next target, which generally implies some more strength coming in and slower momentum to the downside. Coming back up, having trouble. Watch for this to get back up above the 50 again, and then we should be free and clear for 94.42. What I'm going to be watching for is it still needs to make a higher high and a higher low. So the higher high would be coming in above this high right here, 94.71. And then I'll be watching for some kind of pullback, which should also catch on the rotation zone and rotate higher. And that would be a very good entry. This is a very aggressive entry. The safer entry is wait for it to make a higher high and a higher low and then rotate back up. And that's the kind of thing you're looking for. If we do head down and this does not hold right here, same targets as before, 89.27 and 88.09. Let's check in on the daily chart. So here we are at the daily chart, holding at the bottom of the rotation zone, this blue area right here. What's interesting, if we do break below that, the second target essentially just takes us just below the 50-day EMA. And right now our stop reduction target, let me zoom in here so we can see it better, is essentially the 8. So this is having trouble not only getting above the rotation zone on the 4 hour, it's having trouble getting above the 8 on the daily, which forms the top of the rotation zone on here. So this is going to determine, it's either got to break up above the 8 or break down below the 21. If it breaks below the 21, hands off, we'll be watching for these lower levels. If it goes up above here, the aggressive entry was that double bottom. The safe entry is to come up, make a higher high, pull back, and then rotate higher. That's what most people should be looking for. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash breaking out of this falling flag or pennant, really a flag right here, and moving higher. Now this came down 14.75, getting above the rotation zone, pulling back, retesting first cross area. That's an excellent entry pattern, breaking out of this reversal pattern and then getting higher. So this is showing much more strength. Also very nice divergence down here. So when it spiked through this 1475 level, we did get a divergence. This is a slightly higher RSI and you can see lower low price action. So that was, again, that's in a very aggressive entry. If you want to know how you do that, what we generally do is get the divergence set up and then watch for it to break the high of that candle, especially on a closing basis. So it did that on here, and then you can always get in on a pullback. The more aggressive, the more safer entry is to wait for it to get the first cross and then move higher. So what are we watching for now? We still have to get above this 12.5 to 1693 level. That's going to be very key on a pullback. First level support 1620. Next major level support 1594 to 1600. Right in here we have the rotation zone and the hooking up 50. So let's switch over to that daily chart. Daily chart. So you can see it dipped into the rotation zone. Yesterday it closed above the rotation zone, and it looks like it's going to close above the rotation zone again. So buyers definitely stepping in this area. We're just now going to keep watching it unfold. Hopefully catch on that 4 hour rotation zone and rotate back up. Again, 1693 next target. Then we'll be looking for, there's some resistance right around the 1763 area right in here. Then we'll be looking for a return to the 1850, 1924, 1925, and 2000 levels. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.